everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am playing with the Golden Days collection from Color Rush Studio. And right now you see me going through papers because I am trying to figure out which ones I'm going to use for an 8.5 by 11 layout. And I want all pattern paper on this. I didn't want to use any white cardstock. I mean, I do mount my photo, so I guess technically I use white cardstock, but I wanted to use pattern paper, and I wanted to use this book paper, but I still need to get my reading journal going again. So I am going to kind of hoard a piece of that in my stash, but I'm going to use this as a background as well because it had so many colors in it. And so I'm going to use it as a mat around this piece. And I had already roughed up the edges, so I'm going to peel a couple pieces back to where it looks like it's a little more ripped and torn. And then I'm going to start with this picture of my two kitties back when they were babies. So this was shortly after we had gotten them. Back when they were sweet and cute to each other. No, I'm joking. They still are sweet and cute to each other. But of course, as they grow, like all siblings, they fight and play and get rough. And they don't cuddle like they used to. So, and I'm going to use this on this layout. I wanted to use this love. I tried to use it on my last layout multiple times. And I kept putting it back. And I ended up using it for this layout. I love it. It's so cute. And it just works for the layout. Here, I'm going to go through with the ephemera and try to figure out what I want to use. And with this one, I do decide to go with the pieces of ephemera from the actual ephemera pack that you get, instead of the fussy cut ones that I did, because the ones from the ephemera kit, they have a white border on them, where the ones I fussy cut didn't, so they don't stand out as much. And so I decided to go with those. I'm trying to figure out what else I want to use. I know that I love these florals that came from Prima that were in the kit. And then I love the, my brain is blanking. I love the wood veneers as well. That's what it is, veneers. And so I'm going to use some more of the wood veneers. But as you see here, I am pulling the last couple of flowers off of this piece of paper, or the ephemera. I took a picture of my layout really quick. It wasn't ephemera. The vellum. And I decided I'm going to use it as a layer here on my layout. So I went ahead and adhered that to the strip that I had already, the plaid. And I put it on top. And this, you can just see a little bit of the writing behind it and stuff. It's just cute. So I went ahead and added that down, and I glued the stuff to the layout. I had popped my photo up on 3D foam, and I'm just going ahead and layering everything in there where I want it. This layout didn't take me very long at all. It's pretty simple, and I'm okay with that. I've had more layouts lately that it's just like I can sit down and they come together in no time. Some of them don't have a ton of detail, which this is one of them. It doesn't have a ton of detail, and it took me like 15 minutes to make. So, I mean, I still like the way it turned out, so that's all that matters to me. I'm documenting my cute little fuzzy butts, and so, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck some more of these, wood veneer in. I keep forgetting what they're called. I don't know why. And here I'm trying to figure out what else I want to do. I know I have all these leaves from the wood veneers, and so I'm going to go ahead and stick a few here and there on both sides of the layout. And I love this floral right here because it has like jewels in the center of it, and it's just so gorgeous. But yeah, and that finishes this layout. Very simple, and I really hope that you like it. I enjoy the way it turned out, and I love playing with this kit and this collection. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.